Today we're 3D printing and assembling a Ferrari F40. And this has been tunified with the flared wheels. I love this kind of style, and there's a lot of them on this channel to checked out. The original designer's work, and it's all free, is in a link in the description below. So I started by painting up the rims silver, and then I went ahead and I glossed up the windows. And then we can just start assembling from there. And this is very simple. Of course, you've got a body, you've got some wheels, you've got some pegs, you've got some windows, and the whole thing comes together very, very quickly. And these are just, I'm finding them so satisfying to print and assemble. And a lot of these models require no supports to print as well, so they're excellent for first-time printers. And you don't really need amazingly good adhesion or anything like that with your print bed. And this just a satisfying overall finish. And really, you only need like two colors. Get some black and get some sort of bright color, and you can put together a very nice vehicle in this style real quickly. And simple assembly as well. Now, I will say I go easy on the setup for printing this stuff. So for instance, the windows, I always just lay them down the flattest, biggest surface they have, when really they shouldn't be, because they will print better in different orientations or visually look better at the end of the day. But I'm quite happy to put like the windscreen on its back, which makes it very layered, like you can see there. But it's extremely easy to print, and I quite like seeing print lines in 3D models when they're done, because I feel like that is a maker mark of the actual printer doing it itself. It's just not a human maker mark, because of course it's the 3D printer that's doing the majority of the work here. But we're almost done doing the final assembly of our lights, which did a little bit of painting on. And then we got our wheels, which are just simply pegs. And then the tires and rims, of course, just pressure fit together with a little bit of glue, and you are all done. And again, I just find these models, this series of model to be extraordinarily satisfying. I think it's just so much fun to print these out and then assemble them. And these are one of the few 3D models I'll keep very long term, because I now have, I think, probably like 7 or 8 of these. And they just look so freaking cool, and put them on display, and they're just something beautiful to look at. And yeah, truly love them. So here is the final piece.